We have got the report from what it's like in Shimla, but let's shift our focus to what is happening in the national capital, which has been experiencing cold wave conditions for a long time, at least for more than a week now, where temperatures have continued witnessed a dip. And from there, in fact, my colleague Arzu Seth is joining me live from New Delhi railway station. Arzu, good morning in the national capital. In fact, it's freezing. There is icy cold weather, and the Met Department has also issued orange alert. What is in fact the situation on the ground as per the records and the predictions by the Met Department that have been made yesterday? How exactly this a few days ahead look like in the national capital and also in the NCR region?
Well, we talk about the national capital. The cold wave continues to grip the Delhi NCR, and also when we talk about there has been an extreme fog that has been witnessed in the national capital. Right now, I am at the New Delhi railway station and would like to show you the visuals. Also, you can see a lot of passengers are waiting here because there are more than 30 trains that are running delay, and also the duration ranging between 70 minutes to around 5 to 6 hours, and these passengers are waiting here since the late night. Also the trains like Gorakhnath Dham Express, Bihar Kranti, also Vaishali Express, Rewa Express, Shiv Ganga Express, Pragraj Express, there are several trains that are running delay. Also we have some people with us, will go across them also. Sir, आपकी train कौन सी थी?
बिहार संपर्क क्रांति.
कितने घंटे लेट थी?
It was 4 hours.
4 hour लेट थी. कितना प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, इतना लेट चल रही है ट्रेन?
First of all, the train was very dirty. No any attendant was there to help us, and it was running so slow. Without any station, it was just staying 1 hour 45 minutes like this one.
You also along with your family members, your children is also there. So how much?
6-month-old kids, and we are suffering too much. No pantry car members were coming. We needed obviously we need milk for the small baby.
Okay, so there you heard. In fact, we also tried to take more reactions also. Sir, कितना दिक्कत हुआ, कितनी लेट थी आप लोगों की ट्रेन?
मैम, सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है जब ट्रेन लेट होती है तो उसकी सारी फैसिलिटीज ख़त्म कर दी जाती है. सारे अटेंडेंट जो है ना अपना चले जाते हैं और कोई नहीं आता है पूछने के लिए कि आपको किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत है या नहीं. हमारे पास छोटा बच्चा था, गर्म पानी की ज़रूरत थी, कोई पूछने नहीं आया. किसी तरह की कोई फैसिलिटी, सारी गंदगी बिल्कुल भरी रहती है वैसे ही ट्रेन में. जी मैम. और 4 घंटे लेट थी. हम लोगों ने सुबह में आया था प्लान करके कि आज सुबह बच्चे क्लास अटेंड कर लेंगे. 5 बजे की टाइम थी ट्रेन की, तो हमने सोचा था कि 7:45 से क्लास होता है तो क्लास अटेंड कर लेंगे, लेकिन बच्चे भी क्लास अटेंड नहीं कर पाए.
तो क्लास भी मिस हो गई आप लोगों को, जॉब पे भी जाना.
और मुझे खुद जहाँ मैं बैठा था वहाँ सीएम आने वाले थे, हमारी ट्रेन छूटते रह गई. वो उसकी वजह से सारे सिटी को ब्लॉक कर दिया गया था.
Simran, there you heard the voices also. In fact, they are facing a lot of problem due to the delay in trains also. As they are told that there is no facility that is being provided if the trains are running delay. So passengers in fact are facing a lot of problem. There also you can see a lot of passengers in fact waiting since late night to catch their trains. But some people have also told that they are not getting updated timing of their trains, and they are waiting, and after when their time will reach, they will get to know if their trains are late or on time. So a lot of problem that the passengers are facing due to the fog like condition, due to which the trains and in fact flights are also delayed. Yes, Simran.
Well, all right. In fact, on that note, what we are given to understand that the continuous rail